Alright, let's talk about the stock that just shocked Wall Street, Kohls. Kohls surges 20% pre-market after crushing Q2 earnings estimates and narrowing full-year guidance. Yeah, the same Kohls department store you might remember shopping at with your family just made headlines in a way nobody saw coming. So, here's what happened. Kohls stock absolutely exploded, surging over 20% before the market even opened. Why? It's all about those Q2 earnings. Analysts were expecting, honestly, not much. The consensus? Around 29 cents per share in profit. But Kohls? They dropped a bombshell. 56 cents per share. That's almost double. And it doesn't stop there. Revenue was also better than expected, $3.35 billion versus the $3.32 billion Wall Street had in mind. Now maybe a few $1,000,000 doesn't sound like a lot in the grand scheme, but for a retail giant that's been struggling to stay relevant, every single dollar matters. Let's put this in perspective. The retail world has been absolutely brutal this year. Shoppers are getting pickier, competitors are slashing prices, online shopping is just eating everyone's lunch. Kohls has been written off by a lot of investors as just another old-school brand on the way out. But this earnings beat. This is a statement. So what drove this sudden turnaround? First off, Kohls tightened its full-year guidance. Better inventory management, more efficient promotions, a laser focus on loyal customers. Basically, they're running a tighter ship, and it's starting to pay off. But before you get too excited, remember, retail is still risky. Kohls faces stiff competition from Amazon. Kohls faces up-and-coming brick-and-mortar stores. One good quarter doesn't guarantee a trend. The question now is, can Kohls keep the momentum going, or is this just a one-time spike? So, if you're watching the market and thinking about what's next, keep your eyes on Kohls. This kind of earnings beat could attract a lot of short-term traders. Real long-term growth? That's going to take more than one quarter of good news. Either way, today's story proves it. Never count out the underdog. Thanks for tuning in, and stay sharp out there.